Food is always a good idea. Espinaca, corn, and dumpling. Well, ooh, this is the dumpling and corn with calabasa and spinach. Oh, so yummy, yummy.
Última, última galleta. Siéntate. Ya.
And food is always a good idea. We had food at Las Cayudas. It has become very popular. Their service needs more work, but the food has improved. They've changed their menu. And yeah, that's that. We're heading to get post cake at a nice pastry shop. My duty, my role is to find the food, recommend the food, and make sure everyone is happy. But I'm not mad because I believe food is always a good idea. And it's my language. I speak food. Mandorle Pasteleria se llama. So today's another day and I'll be preparing. Right here on the back we have beans going in the Instant Pot, and I'm gonna serve this with rice, and I'm doing my juice here. So already having this machine, ginger, I'm going in with apples and carrots. I dig into this. This is seasoned rice, my version of seasoned rice with stewed peas and carrot juice. And I'm gonna dig into this. As the Mexicans say, provecho, provechito. So I have been craving sweets. So this is a recipe that I have. I'm experimenting with. So here we have sugar. Oh dear, I forgot the whisk.
Here we are. Whisk 2 eggs, and I need to beat this until it's smooth. And in this we have honey and butter that I have melted. Honey and butter. While that is gently mixing, I'm going to, in this I have 2 cups of flour with baking soda and pumpkin spice. And salt, I added salt as well. I'm going to go with vanilla. Somehow, this don't sound right, but it smells nice so far. Okie dokie. I need to change the whisk. Oh, now this is where we're going to have to move fast because we don't want the cake to be hard and dense. So we're going to go in with this.
Smells so good. It's not gone. That means it's burned. Are you gonna use a spatula? Hey, look at you. It's burned. So it's
I baked last night. I could hardly take it out the pan because I didn't grease it properly. But you know, we're gonna roll with the punches. This is what it looks like. What it tastes like is a different story. Yummy. Hello there. It's a beautiful day. They said today's St. Valentine's Day. I got up early, which I usually do. And I was just relaxing, reflecting, and then suddenly the place starts shaking and the dog's running, so I was like, it's an earthquake and I'm not gonna move. Que será, será? Whatever would be, would be. But I was taken aback and distracted, so I started reading. But then I learned that Mexico has a tectonic plate. I mean, all of Mexico, I want to say, is I'm not a geologist, but all of Mexico, the Caribbean, is on some sort of tectonic plate. Some more than the other, but there's one that is close by. And if you come in, I don't know how to explain this, but there's one that is very active. The one in this back is the pyramid. I don't know what to say. I want to leave the city. That's all I need to say. And I will leave the city again tomorrow. Oh dear. That shows quite a shape.
I went to the hospital, the public hospital this morning for a conference about nutrition. Now I'm back home cooking rice and beans with corn again. well, the last time I cooked it, there was no corn, but this time I have corn, potato, the last bit had carrot, there's none. But when I'm finished, I'll show you what that looks like. So I'm back home and this is a little bit of my day. So this is the finished product. Corn, potato, beans and chickpea, and I like adding curry to the rice, so yeah, that's what I'm craving, and so that's what I'm cooking. Nothing fancy, but sure tasty and nutritious. Food is always a good idea. We have a 7 o'clock reservation, and what time is it? Are we gonna make it on time?
Yeah.
We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it on time. Orale.
Super acidic.
Super acidic.
Yes, and the bitterness. You understand? You don't record it as you're trying.
Hey, it's another day. I did not do much recording yesterday. In fact, the idea is to try and record my week, but interesting things in my week. And I did a lot of cooking this week though. After dinner, we came home and I couldn't sleep because that morning we had a micro earthquake, so I couldn't sleep. And then yesterday, my husband wasn't here, so I couldn't sleep, and I didn't go to bed until like 12 in the morning. And then I woke up after 7, but walking. Then we had breakfast, came back home and took a nice warm shower, which keeps my body, it just feels nice. But now I have a 12 o'clock appointment with a foot doctor. If you know what the correct name is, sorry, foot doctor. Because for the past 3 years or so, to be exact, my feet have been dry, and to me it's unhealthy at this stage, so I have to get this looked at. And yeah, so I'm gonna do that. That's the exciting thing. I don't know if they will allow a camera inside, but let's see how that goes. I don't have much planned for today. So it's now 11:07, so I'm gonna ask what it is. It's a 15-minute walk. What? Checking for the Uber.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling in the rain.
It's late in the evening. I went to see the podiatrist And after seeing the podiatrist, I walked back home after 1, and then I fell asleep, woke up after 4, close to 5. And if I move, I break because I was so hungry. Good thing I always have something in the refrigerador. Now I am out walking with my cabezon that I'm trying to find a home for. Two cabezones. You're so funny. Oh my goodness. So we're on an evening walk and he's hungry. He needs to get something to eat, but you don't want what I have in the house. So let's see what he gets up to eating. You know what you want to have?
Es hummus y...
You're having something light?
No, y barriga de cerdo.
I just want something to drink.
Bueno, bacha, you can. Tisana.
Not tea, drink.
Tisana es drink. Frappe. Piña fresa.
Piña fresa.
Mango miel with ginger.
Okay.
Maracuyá.
Andy. I am tired. Pan de elote with helado. It tastes like roast sesame seed. ¿Cómo se llama?
Pork with pipián.
Eh?
Pork with pipián sauce.
Nice. How is it? Tasty? Food is always a good idea, so we are heading back to the place of rest and relaxation. Look at him, look at him. It was bright and sunny, and today it has been raining. It has been raining since 4. Now I'm going to a place that would normally take 30 minutes. How long is it going to take us to get there? Maybe 45 minutes to an hour? Because there's a lot of traffic now, and it's what, 10 minutes? 15 minutes? What time is it now?
9.
Wow.
9:25.
9:25, okay. Came to IKEA and they don't open until 11, and I didn't know that. And I usually check before I go or leave the house. But I don't know what I was thinking today.
This is the places they have.
IKEA is not open until 11.
Let's check the Italians.
They're on the second floor, the last bit.
Second floor.
So we have
side hop as well.
ooh la la. Oh dear. Oh yo 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 yo.
Letting me go.
No, you don't need to move. Which
And this is only carbs claras.
which one? Is it just the egg whites?
It's also melon.
Oh.
A very sweet champion.
Señorita, no tengo té de frutos rojos, se me terminó. Tengo de manzanilla, tengo de serenidad. El de serenidad lleva manzanilla, toronjil y lavanda. Son los 3 tés en uno.
Manzanilla
Negro.
solito.
El negro.
Manzanilla
¿De manzanilla?
solito.
Ujú.
Sí.
Ok.
Gracias. Maybe I should have the chocolate but without milk.
No, with milk is good for you. That's and ligero, ligero.
Yes. Where are you on the menu?
Asparagus.
Yes, I want asparagus. I haven't had it in a while. Omelette de asparagus. Ay, 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 ay. Queso de cabra. Ceniza. ¿Qué es ceniza?
Pizza hash.
Con hash.
It's a traditional thing from Italy.
Okay.
Got cheese with hash.
Well, I'm gonna try that because I want the asparagus. Gracias.
¿Nada?
So we just finished having breakfast and then we walked over to IKEA. They're still not open, but the restaurant bit is open. However, the breakfast that we had at Italianis, it's a simple Mexican style. No? It was unexpected, but it was delicious.
Italian.
Delicious. It's always a good idea, so we're here to have a late midnight snack. A late midnight snack at Don Frank. Do you know what you're gonna have? Do you know what you wanna have?
No, this is not loading.
What? Because your phone is not good. Your phone is not good and the internet is.
Shut up.
I say what I say. Your phone is not good. The internet is not good.
I'm always connected to the internet at my house.
Oh, no. No, your internet is a different story. Don't argue with me. Okay?
Remember the other day I was tasting your patience.
Gracias.
De arrachera, la arrachera no lleva verdura.
Con verdura.
¿Quiere con verdura? Claro.
La arrachera. La
Soy
lengua.
vegano. Me gusta Soy vegano. Me gusta verduras.
Sí. Para los 3
Lengua. Y pastor, ¿verdad? ¿Qué más?
Para mí 4 de... No, 5 de pastor.
Taco de abajo.
Gracias. You love this, eh? You're enjoying this moment. Provecho. So, after a delicious midnight meal, we're heading back home. And I'm gonna end the video here by saying, stay positive, think on possibilities, and see you.
Forget and forgive.
Forgive and forget. And see you as I get in the groove of creating weekly vlogs. Let's see how that goes. Bye bye.